Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Android device. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change YouTube caption style on Android. Captions can be incredibly helpful for those who are hard of hearing, or for those who are watching videos in a noisy environment. But did you know that you can also customize the caption style on YouTube? This can help you make the captions more visually appealing and easier to read. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. First, you need to open the YouTube app on your Android device. If you haven't already signed in, enter your login credentials and sign in. Step 2. Go to Settings next. You'll need to tap on your profile picture at the top right-hand corner of the app. From there, select Settings. Step 3. Choose Captions. Scroll down until you see the Captions option and click on it. Step 4. Choose Caption Style and Size. From there, select Caption Style and Size. This will open up a list of different caption styles that you can choose from. Step 5. Scroll down to Caption Style. Scroll down until you see the Caption Style option. From here, you can choose the font, color, and other visual aspects of the captions. And that's it. Those are the simple steps to change YouTube caption style on Android. By following these steps, you can make the captions more visually appealing and easier to read. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see us cover in a future video, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.